It's the last day of the year, a perfect time to dream of a lush, weed-free garden. Picture a garden overflowing with vegetables and flowers, yet almost no weeds. This isn't a fantasy, it's the Amish way. Their secret? They don't fight nature, they work with it, starting with healthy living soil. Most gardeners battle weeds endlessly, but the Amish see weeds as messengers, not enemies. By focusing on soil health, they create conditions where their crops thrive and weeds can't compete. It's a shift from combat to cultivation rooted in respect for the land. Instead of attacking weeds, they ask, "What is the soil telling us?" This approach leads to easier, more resilient gardens. Less work, more abundance. As you plan for spring, remember, a healthy garden starts with healthy soil, not a war on weeds. To unlock the Amish secret, we must see soil as alive, a bustling community of microbes, worms and insects. Healthy soil is full of life, constantly breaking down organic matter and cycling nutrients. Weeds thrive in poor, compacted or bare soil. They're nature's first responders, not villains. When you see weeds, it's not a failure, it's your soil asking for help. The Amish focus on feeding the soil's living community, not killing weeds. Rich, well-structured soil lets crops outcompete weeds naturally. The gardener's job is to nurture this hidden ecosystem. No harsh chemicals, no excessive tilling. Add organic matter to fuel the soil life. Feed the soil, and you build a natural defense against weeds. This is the foundation of the peaceful, productive Amish garden. One powerful Amish-inspired technique is lasagna gardening, building soil in layers right on top of grass or weeds. Start with cardboard or newspaper to block light and smother weeds. Alternate layers of browns, leaves, straw and greens, kitchen scraps, grass clippings, aiming for twice as much brown as green. Build it up to a foot or more, it will settle over time. Top with compost or good soil. This is where you plant. Build beds in fall to break down by spring, or plant large seedlings right away. The lasagna garden transforms weedy patches into fertile beds. No digging required. It's smart, simple, and lets nature do the heavy lifting. Once your bed is built, never leave soil bare. Bare soil invites weeds. Keep it covered with mulch straw, leaves, wood chips or grass clippings. Mulch blocks sunlight, stops weed seeds from sprouting and keeps soil moist. As mulch breaks down, it feeds the soil life. Rotate crops each year to balance nutrients and break pest cycles. After harvest, sow cover crops like clover or rye to protect and enrich the soil over winter. In spring, cut down cover crops and use them as mulch or lightly mix them in. These simple habits keep soil healthy and weeds at bay, season after season. The Amish way is about constant care, never letting the soil go unprotected. Embracing this Amish-inspired approach transforms gardening from struggle to partnership. Less weeding, more joy. Your time goes to planting, observing and harvesting. No chemicals means healthier food and a safer environment for pollinators and soil life. You learn to read the land, seeing weeds as guides, not foes. Gardening becomes a mindful, rewarding practice. The real harvest is more than vegetables. It's peace, satisfaction, and a deep connection to the earth. Feed and protect your soil, and it will reward you with abundance. This is the true secret, a thriving garden, rooted in respect for the living world beneath your feet.